what a 1% increase in interest rate can mean to your buying power in real estate. Did you know that a 1% increase in mortgage interest rates actually affects 10% of your purchase power? So here's the situation. And this is one reason why you might not want to wait too long to make a purchase here in 2022. We've been talking about this for months now, and everybody's been predicting that interest rates will rise here as we move into 2022. Um, to what level is certainly not 100% set in stone, but many of the experts are predicting that we will see interest rates on 30-year fixeds that are into the 4% range. And on second home properties, we'll see that possibly even higher. So here's the scenario. You've been looking at $400,000 properties, and you've talked to your loan officer about your comfort monthly payments, as well as the amount of money that you're looking to put down on your purchase. And as of right now, to combine everything based on your comfort level with your down payment, as well as your monthly payments, you and your loan officer have found that a $400,000 property would match up very well. Well, now, if interest rates go up 1% and you want to keep your down payment as well as your monthly payment at that same comfortable level, now your buying power has gone down 10%. So what you were looking for in the $400,000 range now will equal $360,000. And keep in mind that many people have not even been able to find the right property at $400,000. But what does that look like at $360,000? How does that help you when it comes to negotiation and or enough inventory to find that's going to work for you? So your 1% increase in mortgage interest rate now has reduced your buying power by 10%. Now, what concerns me even more as we go into 2022 here for a prospective buyer in this situation is all of the experts are predicting that we are going to see price appreciation continue on into 2022, with the low figures coming in right around 3%, and then some of the high numbers going up as close to 14% appreciation in the next year. So your buying power by waiting when interest rates go up by just 1% has gone down 10%, while at the same time prices are continuing to rise, which is going to make it very difficult for many people if they continue to wait and they are set on a certain monthly payment. So my advice is to try to get out ahead of it and continue to look and be ready to go today when that right property comes, as well as be ready to go with your negotiation strategy so you can ultimately win. We are not seeing demand slow down. And in many cases, we are seeing 5, 10, 15 offers on the best properties. So with that demand remaining very high, you're going to have to put your best foot forward to make the offer as clean as possible to be able to secure it. Now, people have asked what's actually been driving the market over the last couple of years here, and won't interest rates, some people are saying, won't interest rates slow the market down? Well, that's a part of it. And I will say that a lot of the buyer activity has been fueled by low interest rates. But the other piece that could be equally as important is the millennial buyer. The millennial buyer is moved right into their prime buying age. And that's something that's predicted to go on for the next 2 to 3 years. So those folks, it's not just a matter of having the low interest rates, which has helped affordability, but more of the fact that we are seeing these buyers come into their prime buying ages. Thus, the demand has been very, very strong, very high, while at the same time we have very low inventory, which is going to continue to push the price up. So what I want to say is 1% increase in mortgage interest rates equals a 10% decrease in your buying power. Now, we are not going to have interest rates jump completely overnight. Most likely, this increase to 4.5% is going to be phased in over the course of the next year. So you've got some time, but act quickly in order to take advantage of the combination of lower prices as well as lower interest rates. There you have it. If there's ever anything I can do to assist you, please feel free to reach out, and it'd be my pleasure to assist in any way that I possibly can.